Hello friends, welcome to DevRoute. I am Myra and you are watching our HTML series for beginners. The topic we are going to discuss today is ID and class. What is an ID? ID it is an attribute of your element that uniquely identify an element in your HTML document. It should be unique within your document, meaning that no other element should have the same ID. You can use ID to style element with CSS or just to target them with JavaScript for dynamic behavior. In this series, we are not going to discuss about CSS and JavaScript. We will soon start our series of JavaScript and CSS. So what is an ID? For example, I have an attribute called h1. To identify this element, I can simply use an ID attribute. It is same. It is something similar to the UIN you have. You have your UIN. No one else have the similar UIN. Your UIN uniquely identify you. So you have to give value to your ID as an ID name. For example, I am saying my heading 1 have an ID hat 1. Okay, no other element should have the same ID head 1. Okay, now what is class? Class is an element attribute which is applied to one or more classes to an HTML element. It is not like an ID. It is not uniquely identify your element. One or more elements could have a same class name. Okay, this allow you to style your multiple elements in same way. If you want to give styling to h1 and you want to give similar styling to h2, for that you can use class. It will allow you to target one or more element with JavaScript collectively. Okay, for example, I have a paragraph element whose class is class 1. So my para 1 has an attribute with value class 1. I could have multiple paragraph or multiple elements with same class name. It is allowed. It is used to style your multiple elements in a same way. Your element could have two classes. For example, my paragraph 2 has two classes, class 1 and class 2. I want to style my paragraph 1 in color red. For that, I am using class 1. I will style my class 1 with red color. I want my paragraph to be styled with color red along with font size 32. For that I can use two classes and can assign styling to each class separately. For example, class 1 has color red attribute and class 2 has styling of font size. So how you can write these type of element? Firstly, you can use emit. For example, I want to write an h2 with an id head 2. For that I can use my element name, which is h2, and for id I have to use hash and then the id name h2. So I can write my element with id fastly. If I want to write an element with some class, for example, I want to write h2 with class 3. For that I can use my element name For class, I have to use dot, then the class name. Okay. If I want to write an element with ID h3 and class 3, for that I can use my element name. For ID I have to use hash, then ID name. For class I have to use dot and the class name. In a similar way, if you want to assign multiple class to your element, you can simply use your element name. For ID you can use hash, and you can use your ID name. And for class you can use dot, and you can use your class name. And if you want to assign more classes, you can use again dot, then your another class name. Thank you for joining us today. Stay tuned for more insight on the fascinating world of technology. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Thank you.